What's the meaning of barrier reef? Barrier reef. Barrier reef.
Barrier reef. Barrier reef. A barrier reef is a type of coral reef that forms parallel to the coastline, separated from the shore by a lagoon. It is typically composed of a complex system of coral growth and sediment accumulation that creates a physical barrier between the open ocean and shallow waters close to the shore. Barrier reefs are important ecosystems that provide habitats for a diverse range of marine life, including fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. They also offer protection for coastal communities from storm surges and erosion. However, these reefs are threatened by climate change, overfishing, and pollution, which can lead to coral bleaching and degradation of the reef ecosystem.